Amazing. Cool. So, first of all, we have the amazing Canan Muenzner and Tonis Lipstock. And these guys have recently hit the rank of diamond in the platform. So, I want to first up say congratulations, guys. They are a power couple based out there in Germany. I want to thank you up front for stepping forward and being willing to share your stories and how you did it, etc., and a little bit about yourselves. So let's get right into it then. So this is obviously the 10-minute transformation. So very quickly, ladies first, what's your background?
Hello, thank you, Jake,
Yes.
for the introduction. Thank you so much. My background is I'm a lawyer and a consultant. That's my background. I have my own firm and my own consultancy business.
Amazing. And Tonis?
Hey, thank you so much, Jake. I appreciate your kind words. My background is I'm a Bob Proctor consultant. Prior to that, quite a few years a project manager, and I just got into network marketing 2 years ago. Yeah,
Okay.
2 years ago. Yeah.
Amazing. Well, that was gonna be my next question. So Canan, how long have you been actually inside the network marketing industry now?
Since I joined you, I didn't have any previous experience. So we joined, I think it was something like end of November 21.
2021. Amazing. And you went diamond within a year, right?
Within 10 months, right?
Within 10 months. Amazing. And you had zero experience before. Amazing. And obviously, Tonis, you joined through Canan as well, right?
Yeah, that was like I think a week or two later
Yeah, yeah,
after
yeah.
that.
And me and you were actually connected long before me, me and Canan
Yes.
connected too. So amazing. So full circle there. Cool. Amazing. So real quick, how many streams of income did you have before you joined this platform? And versus now.
I had three.
Okay. Before you had
Yes.
three before, and how many did you have now?
God. I think in sum total we have now 24 or something like that.
24. Okay.
Could be
Amazing.
24. Yes.
Okay, cool. And you're speaking on behalf of you both, right? Tony, how about you?
Yeah. Yes, we're together. Since we're building the business together.
Yeah, yeah,
Uh,
yeah.
that's the same for us. Yeah.
Amazing. That's actually a question which I haven't got wrote down, but how is it? What's it like building this as a couple?
It has had its challenges for sure. I can tell. It's we decided at first we started actually separately. For
Mm-hmm.
some reason we wanted to try separately, and one moment we realized that we are very in a relationship wise we are very harmonious, and we saw that that can be our advantage,
Right.
and it is. And so we decided to work together, and it gives so much power because two minds aligned are so much more powerful than one. So we chose to do that together, and it's much more encouraging, and you can
Mm-hmm.
support each other along the way. So it's amazing to build together. Yeah.
Amazing. It was so good seeing you both on stage in Houston as well. Uh, I can relate. I can relate to that obviously because me and my wife we started. We met each other on this journey as well. So amazing. So Canan, what do you like most about the platform and the journey so far, and the whole environment, system, etc.? What is it that you like most?
I think if you really want me to answer that, I'm going to sit here an hour.
Yeah, just
So
a compressed
I think
version.
it's shorter to ask what I don't like. But all right, so where do I start? Number one, it's you. I think when you reached out to me, I said yes to this and to this environment, to everything because of you first, because
Appreciate
of our connection.
it. Hmm.
You managed to connect with me very fast and easy, so I could trust. What I like most about this platform and the environment and this business is I think it taught me a lot about trust and trust into mentorship rather than into someone else. I never had that kind of mentorship before. And that is actually what elevated us the fastest and the most. So trust is a huge thing that I learned through this environment, not only to my mentor or to the environment, but clearing a lot of relationship issues too. I think if a relationship is going through building this business and growing together, then you're really growing together.
Right.
Like if you grow through this, building this business, that's the best clearing that you can have for your relationship. And is that the person that you want to build with, or you want to build any business with. If you can build this business, I think you can build any business together as a couple. So and besides that, we are connected to amazing individuals, and our CEO is mind-blowing to me every time I meet him in our events. The events every time confirm how much they give and pour into us. And so I could go on and on and on. So I'm going to leave it with that and leave Toni's a little space too.
Toni, over to you.
Yeah, so I agree in most part with Canan, and for me, the biggest value that I've seen is definitely mentorship and definitely community, because like Canan, I never had mentorship like that, and I think me and you, Jake, we had to both earn each other's trust over time, because I've told you before, I didn't trust you in the beginning. Because
I didn't trust me. I didn't trust me either, so it's okay.
Because of my own paradigms, actually, and because of my own paradigms about men. But we earned each other's trust over time, and you helped us build a business and supported us personally and professionally a lot. So that was a huge factor for us going diamond as well. And even me spending time with you in the UK, that was huge. And the community, it's amazing, not just like people, but the mindset community that has been created by you and Darrin Gibson, and of course working with the GOAT. That's just priceless to be part of that. And I was thinking just before this call that for me, this is literally the business of discipline. That is the biggest value that I have gotten out of this, is develop more discipline and develop a really attitude towards working and how to actually work and properly get to work and get the results we want. And that's why we got to diamond. So these are for me the most important ones. Yeah.
Because leadership, it's leadership business, isn't it? So you have to lead by example, and people are constantly watching you. And we were just talking about it before we jumped on this live. So amazing. So two more questions really quick. Anyone on the sidelines, listening to this back right now, maybe on the podcast or watching it on YouTube right now, and they're kind of thinking, shall I do this? Is it for me? What advice would you give those people, Canan?
I think now experiencing network marketing for almost a year and the environment that we are in, I don't know any other business or any other growth business that is helping people to grow into their true self without limitation. So my question would rather be, why shouldn't you be in this? Because any other business won't allow you to expand to that potential that you truly are.
Love that answer.
Because any other business is limited in the growth, and this is not. And with the right leadership that you get in our team, that makes it possible to go diamond within 10 months. That makes a growth possible that I truly believe everyone is seeking, that quantum leap or that growth that is just innate in us that we always seek. So I would rather turn it around and ask anyone, like, why shouldn't you be in this business?
Mm-hmm. And you guys really both attracted it. I remember when you went with Diamond, you really attracted everything, man. It was crazy how it all happened, and
Right.
it was just a crazy situation. Tony, same question to you.
Yeah, so I agree. Big part again with John, and biggest part why I would recommend is the mentorship. Interesting enough, I was seeking for exactly that kind of mentorship, believe at least for a year prior to that. So obviously I attracted that, and you know, nobody can get to heights, highest achievements without mentorship.
I agree.
So that was the biggest part of us actually leveling up our business and us reaching our highest potential. And like Jana said, that community, that mindset community and mentorship community that has been created here for us is something we never seen before, and something that is really priceless compared to the price that the small price that you have to invest in yourself in order to be part of it. So actually, it's worth hundreds of thousands of dollars, and
100%.
it's just priceless. So I think for that already, it's a no-brainer.
Amazing. And really quick, last question. What is the vision for you both as a couple?
We want to impact 108 people and elevate them into 7 figures. So this is the first vision, but that's just the start. We want to impact with you billions of people's minds. I see that in the back of you. So we are totally bought into the vision of our mentors. And well, that's the vision.
Amazing.
Yeah, and I want to add, like, our purpose, as we are also consultants of Bob Proctor, we still want to carry on his torch and his legacy and bring that information, bring that knowledge and awareness around the world to billions of people's minds. So definitely our mission and purpose is to help people really realize who they truly are through this environment, through this platform.
Amazing. And that's why I believe we attracted each other, because Bob Proctor was the reason I got started on the journey. And that was always been my vision from day one. So amazing. Listen, guys, thank you so much for your time. Congratulations on your success. And I'll see you at the top.
Thank you, Jake.
Thank you.